All right, it is May 28th. Get the car seat out in the parking garage. It's time to head home. So, we got the car seat ready to go. All our bags are packed. We're just waiting for the final okay to get out of here. I say this time was a lot smoother than the first kid, because now we kind of have an idea what to do. Just like everything, the first time was a lot harder. We were on vacation, we packed too much stuff. The first time we flew, we packed too much stuff. First time we went to the hospital for the first paper, we packed way too much stuff. Now we get it down to a science. But, so, it's like 9:30 right now. Everything's done. Both Sue and Charlotte are good to go. We're just waiting for the okay to get out of here, so we can go home and relax and finally get some sleep, because sleeping in the hospital is absolutely miserable, as most of you probably know. So next time you see us, we'll be home. Welcome home, little girl. You made it. Say hi. Hi. Say welcome home, sissy. Can you give her a high five?
Henry, give her a high five.
High five.
Good job. Can you give her a kiss?
Aww.